Hello everyone, this is Patience of Reina Good Technologies. So I want to show you how to use Microsoft Office for free on your laptop or desktop legally. Okay, what you need is internet connection and a Microsoft account. You can sign up for a Microsoft account for free. Okay, so right now I'm connected to the internet. So you come to the browser and type office.com and click enter. It takes you to the website. Okay. So if you are signing in for the first time, you don't have an account, you can come here, go to my accounts here. Okay, and then you try and create your own account. So you create one, you click here and create one. But if you already have, you can go directly and just sign in. Okay, so I already have an account. Okay, so let me just sign in. Trying to sign in my account. Okay, pick your account, then put in your password. If I want to if you want to keep being signed in, you click on this. If not, you uncheck. Okay, and then I sign in directly to the Office interface. Okay, here it takes me directly to Office. Okay, so you can see all the different Microsoft Office apps you can use. You're connected now. So if you want it installed on your system, okay, you want to use it without the internet, you can now pay and buy here. So you can install here and pay for it. So right now, if you don't have it on your system, you can just use it directly, but you must have internet and a Microsoft account. Okay, so you can see all the apps here. You can also upload a document from your computer. Make you have a document on your computer, someone sends you a document, you can click there and go directly to your computer, pick it up and open to upload on your document and work on it. So for this example, we use Excel. Let's say we want to use Excel. I want to work on Excel. So click on Excel. There are different templates. I can click on a new blank workbook. You're starting from a new worksheet. Then it takes me directly to the Excel interface. Okay, so it's coming up. So I can type, let me just type something. Okay, so if I want this document to be saved on my computer, I'll go to the file tab, click on save as, and then say download a copy on my computer. Although as you're working, it saves to your OneDrive, which is the cloud storage. It saves online for you automatically. But if you want to save a document on your computer, rather, you click on save as, download a copy here. Okay, I hope you find this video useful. Please like, comment, share. Have a wonderful day. Bye.